So it looks like it's time for more home repairs. Cleaned out my sink underneath. Figured I would put everything in bins, change the water filters over here. And this doesn't look good. I don't like that. So we're going to try to get a new piece here for the dishwasher. So it looks like I caught this just in time. Just touching this to take it out. Yep. That would have all been in the cabinet. So it pays to inspect. What a piece of crap. Anyways, off to plumbing supply. We are back. Well, 2 trips to the plumbing supply. I thought that perhaps the hose in there was 3/4 inch because I had this piece of garden hose on to make it bigger, but there was no making that work. I even tried some boiling water, see if I could get the hose on with the larger piece on the tailpiece, but it wasn't going to happen. So anyways, this is the exact same tailpiece that came out. Hopefully it'll last a little bit longer. I don't have that much confidence in it. It's some thin metal right there. Everything's cheap these days. But anyways, we're going to cut it down and put it in. One good thing about having a swimming pool business is you have all these tools that you normally wouldn't own. Tighten that down a little. It's easier to just turn the tailpiece instead of turning the pipe cutter. There it goes. Starting to break. Alright, that's it. Pieces cut for what it's worth. I'll just deburr the inside of that and install it back in the cabinet. So we are back in business after 3 trips to the store. I don't see any leaks. We got the dishwasher running, got the sink running. I never could find a washer that fit in there. I don't know if it's different brands vary, but I bought the tapered washers and they didn't work, so I put a little Teflon on and overlapped it. I know Teflon is not the right thing for that kind of joint, but in a pinch, it fixes leaks. So it's actually sealing against the flange on the top because I went high with the Teflon. I'm not sealing it on the threads. Yeah, we look good. Water filters are replaced. We're just going to let the dishwasher go through a cycle and see if, make sure that this holds right up here. I think it's actually better than it was before, so should be good. All right, that's it. Another home repair. A tragedy narrowly averted and everything back in place. Still not sure if using a brass one was the smartest thing. The other one didn't last too long and this one looked exactly like it. Wondering if I should have gotten a plastic one, but I went to East Brunswick Plumbing instead of going to Lowe's or Home Depot, and all they had was brass. It wasn't a cheap piece either. It was $20, but we'll see. I took some of those old bins that I had from that, I don't know, kids play rack or whatever that I built the pot lid rack out of, and I used that to contain this stuff. This way I can pull this out nice and easy when we need to change the filters, and also keep an eye on this here. I should actually put it on my Google Calendar so I know when to check it, because I do not trust this here. That could have been a mess. I can imagine if it literally fell apart in my hands before I threw it out. I just was showing Lisa and the thing cracked into 2 pieces, so I was so ready to go. Alright, well, another job done.